how to make everyone can watch your liked videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can watch your liked videos on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and then click privacy and scroll down until you find this one, liked videos, and here you will find this one, everyone. Select everyone, and now as you see everyone can watch my liked videos, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.